So welcome back to Electric Vehicles channel, my dear friends. I am Krishna Chaitanya Mandela. What is the strategy of Reliance Jio through its swapping stations and electric vehicle charging stations? Let's find it out in this video. Few weeks back, we made a video about Reliance entry into the electric vehicle industry. It's about Jio Battlegrounds. Now, it is an official news that Reliance Jio has entered into the electric vehicle sector. On August 5th of 2021, Reliance Jio BP Mobility Limited has made an agreement with Swiggy to set up swapping stations across India. Now, what does it mean? For the delivery fleet of Swiggy, Jio to electrify with swapping stations. So Jio to provide swapping stations and the technology assistance for the delivery fleet of Swiggy electric vehicles. So as a part of this agreement, Reliance Jio BP Mobility Limited to tie up with multiple OEMs across in India for the technology transfer. For example, the charging infrastructure, everything, Reliance Jio to tie up with OEMs in India, and they will set up the swapping stations for Swiggy. And this particular swapping stations for electric two-wheelers and electric three-wheelers, and Jio having other plans like setting up fixed charging stations for electric cars and electric buses as well. And RBML, Reliance BP Mobility Limited, have expressed their happiness that they have entered into the Indian Electric Vehicle Mobility Mission Plan 2030 by their swapping stations. Now, the main agenda of Reliance Jio BP is to set up thousands of swapping stations across India in shopping malls, in IT parks, hotels, parking lots, whatnot. Everywhere they are planning to set up these swapping stations. So the entry of Jio into electric vehicles is official now. But there is one unofficial news as well. On July 27th, Reliance Jio BP has signed an agreement with Rajasthan government to set up charging stations. And that document clearly mentions that Reliance Jio made an agreement with the Rajasthan government to set up charging stations for the next 12 years. So this is a big news because this opportunity helps Reliance Jio to understand about the electric vehicle infrastructure across India from the data they will collect from the electric two-wheelers and electric three-wheelers charging infrastructures in the form of swapping stations. And through Rajasthan government, if they set up these fast charging stations for electric cars, and they will get enough data what they need to enter into the real electric vehicle battlefield. So as per the unofficial document about the Rajasthan charging stations, that document says that Reliance Jio to pay around 12 lakh rupees for 12 years for the land. I mean the leasing agreement, they will provide around 12 lakh rupees. In addition to that, Reliance Jio to pay 18,000 rupees per month for rental basis, whoever providing 800 square feet of land for their charging infrastructure, Reliance Jio BP Mobility Limited to pay 18,000 rupees on monthly basis and also 12,000 rupees for the caretaker and 21,000 rupees for the station master. So seems like Reliance Industries started the EV battlegrounds from the ground level. So they cleverly started from the charging infrastructure to understand about the ground level of the electric vehicle market. So the swapping stations and the other side, the electric vehicle charging stations as well. Anyway, one news is official, which is the Swiggy swapping stations. It is confirmed by Jio. And the second thing yet to get confirmation is about the Rajasthan charging stations. But it is very clear that Reliance Jio is very keen about the electric vehicle sector in India. And these circumstances and whatever the ground level understanding about electric vehicles will definitely help Jio to take one step ahead in the electric vehicle industry. So what do you feel about Jio's entry into the electric vehicle industry? Do you think it will be helpful for the electric vehicle industry or not? Please mention in the comment section below. For genuine information about electric vehicles, please do subscribe to Electric Vehicles channel and follow our Facebook page for faster updates. Go green, go electric.